Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Adam and Anna podcast. Today, we're talking about something super important, small talk.
Yes, small talk means short, friendly conversations. It's how you break the silence, meet new people, or just sound polite in English.
And the best part? Small talk is simple. You don't need big, difficult words. You just need confidence and a smile in your voice.
Let's start with the question, why small talk matters. Imagine this. You're standing in a school hallway, in an office, or waiting at a bus stop. You see someone next to you. If you say nothing, it feels a little awkward.
But if you start with small talk, suddenly it feels friendly. You make the other person comfortable and maybe even a new friend.
Exactly. Small talk is like the key that opens the door to bigger conversations.
So, what can you talk about? Let's start with some safe and easy topics. The weather, hobbies, school or work, food, simple compliments like, I like your bag.
And remember, you don't need long answers. Short, natural sentences are perfect.
Let's practice with real examples. Small talk at the bus stop. Excuse me, do you know if the bus is usually on time?
Sometimes it's late, but I think it should come soon.
Oh, thank you. By the way, it's really hot today, isn't it?
Yes, I wish I had some ice cream.
Me too.
See, just a question and a little comment, and now it feels like a conversation.
Small talk at school or work.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Thanks. By the way, I like your notebook. Where did you get it?
Oh, thank you. I got it online.
Nice. I've been looking for something like that.
Small talk can start with a compliment. People love when you notice something nice.
Small talk when meeting someone new.
Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
I'm Adam. Nice to meet you too.
So, where are you from?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from Spain. Have you ever visited Spain?
Not yet, but I would love to. See? Small talk can help you learn about someone in just a few minutes.
Tips to sound natural. Okay, let's give our listeners some super easy tips. 1. Smile when you talk. Even on the phone, people can hear your smile. 2. Ask questions. People like to talk about themselves. 3. Don't give one-word answers. Instead of just yes, add a little more. For example, person. Do you like pizza? You. Yes, I love pizza, especially cheese pizza. 4. Practice every day. Even short chats with shopkeepers, classmates, or neighbors help a lot.
Let's do small talk practice.
Let's do a quick game. I'll say something random, and you answer like we're having small talk. Wow, this weather is crazy.
Yes, 1 minute it's sunny and the next it's raining. I feel like I need an umbrella and sunglasses at the same time.
That's funny. Okay, next one. Hey, Adam, do you like coffee?
Oh, yes, I love it. But if I drink too much, I start talking even faster than now.
See, listeners, small talk doesn't have to be serious. A little humor makes it even better.
Friends, don't be afraid of small talk. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try.
That's right. Even one sentence like nice weather today can make someone smile.
And every time you practice, you become more fluent, more confident, and more friendly.
So, your challenge today: Start one small talk conversation with someone. It can be about food, weather, school, or even their pet. Just start.
That's all for today's episode of the Adam and Anna podcast.
We hope you feel ready to start your own small talk conversations.
And remember, big fluency begins with small talk.
Bye, everyone. Like, share, and subscribe to the Adam and Anna podcast.